Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by opening the interaction menu in GTA Online using the menu button. Go to Style and then Accessories to check your current masks. Next, visit any clothing store or mask vendor on the map for a direct search. Also check the in-game marketplace and Diamond Casino promotions for limited masks. Look during weekly updates and special events for rotating stock. This process usually takes 2 to 5 minutes when you know where to look. When you find Space Monkey available, confirm the price on the vendor screen before buying. You can often purchase directly at a mask shop or through the in-game catalog for the displayed cash amount. Occasionally, Rockstar releases promo codes or event rewards that grant the mask without purchase. Check your in-game email and promotions page weekly for those codes. If it is sold out, revisit the vendor after a server cycle or during the next update to try again. After purchase, equip Space Monkey from the interaction menu by choosing Style and Accessories. Select Masks and then choose the Space Monkey mask from your inventory. Once equipped, open the wardrobe at any owned property to save the full outfit. Assign the outfit to an available slot for one-tap access from the quick menu later. This saves time during missions and free roam. Repeat the save process after any customization changes to preserve the mask and outfit combination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.